going, Power Stoked Nation? My name is Austin, and welcome to the Power Stoked YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome to the channel. This is my purple 7.3 Power Stroke, and today we got a pretty chill video. Just want to talk to you guys a little bit this week. Nothing crazy, no mods or anything, so if you're looking for that, still don't click away, watch the video. It'll be an entertaining one, but there's not going to be any mods this week. Today we're finally going to wash this thing. It is absolutely disgusting. I mean, I haven't washed it since I've wrapped it. You can see there's a layer of dirt, so this purple really isn't as vibrant as it normally is, so I'm hoping by washing it, it recaptures that first moment when I first got it done. I met a subscriber today, and I'm really sorry that I didn't have anything for you, but if you see me again, I will make sure I have a sticker in the truck or something that I can give to you. So super cool to see you. Thank you for supporting the video. And if you guys ever see me out in public, don't be afraid to come say hi or tell me, you know, that you watch my videos or anything. It actually is super exciting for me, and honestly very. So without further ado, let's finally get some stuff out. Let's clean this truck, and let's just, you know, let's enjoy the day. And the reason I'm washing the truck so late, it's about 5:30 in the evening, is it actually was pretty warm, and my weak little Oregonian blood, I couldn't handle more than 70 degrees. You know, I'm used to the 60-degree, cloudy, 50 rainy. I mean, I'm used to pretty nasty weather. And so now that we have this instant 80-degree day, not a cloud in sight, just beautiful. I mean, look at it. Perfect day. I was melting a little bit. Alright, this is my small but very effective arsenal of cleaning supplies. It kind of gets expensive when you start buying a lot of cleaning stuff. My awesome fiance bought me 2 of these Lowe's buckets. I just have one out for now. You can see the old white dirty one that used to be my main washing bucket, and just recently I've started using the 2-bucket system. You know, you have one for dirty to rinse, and then you're clean, so that way you don't get anything on your awesome paint, and in this case a wrap. Kind of want to make this last as long as I can, so I'm gonna do everything I can. I just got some Meguiar's wash and wax, lots of Chemical Guys stuff, and just super basic. I mean, Meguiar's again with the hot shine tire coating, and again, super basic stuff. So let's go ahead and get some soap mixing up, get some music playing, and let's wash this thing. Alright, you guys, now that the truck is all clean, it's actually going to be a really short video this week, but I had some things I wanted to talk to you guys about. So obviously more mods are on the way for the truck, more stuff is going to be happening, but I did want to talk to you guys about starting a second video every week. I know I've been doing one a week for the whole length of the channel now. There's been those times where I've disappeared for a little bit, and lately I've been on a pretty good streak. I mean, I'm trying to upload every single week, make sure it happens no matter what, even if the video is short, and that's something that I've been very proud of that I've been able to do, and now I think I can handle 2 videos a week, and the second one being very simple. So I wanted to talk to you guys about that and see if I could get some ideas from you guys, maybe get some topics to talk about, because what I was thinking is on my way home I can put the camera up on my dashboard, and it takes me half an hour to get home, and that leaves me with plenty of time to talk to you guys about a certain topic you guys might want to talk about, my opinion on things, that kind of stuff. So what I want from you guys is different topics and different ideas that you guys would like me to cover, whether it be my opinion on truck parts or, like, I mean, literally anything. Like, anything you guys want me to talk about or cover, or any questions you guys have, I would love to do that. And I also have a couple other video ideas that I'll be referring to you guys here in the near future, kind of talking to you guys about that as well. But this has been the big one that I've been kind of brewing for a while. I've been talking with Sierra about it, and she thinks it's a pretty good idea. So like I said, I would love you guys' help coming up with some topics. I'll obviously come up with my own. I was thinking maybe if there's new truck stuff coming out, like a new turbo, or, you know, whatever, like something comes out for these trucks that's relatable to the channel, maybe even not relatable, but just something that is a big topic, I would like to cover it and just kind of talk about it, and it kind of be like a fun video that it's just pretty relaxed. I'm sitting in my truck talking to you guys on my way home from work. Down in the comments below, seriously, let me know what you guys think of this idea, and throw in a couple ideas. I'll definitely take them all into effect. As you guys know, I comment back to just about everybody. Obviously hate comments, you gotta ignore them. You just gotta ignore the hate. It's super important to me to stay connected with you guys, because I mean, I've said it 1,000 times, none of this would be possible without you guys. So that was just what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. Like I said, short video. Wanted to get the truck all nice and clean. What do you guys think? I think it shines just fine. There's already a little bit of mess on it. Just I don't know why. I didn't hit any water or anything, but there's splash marks up on the side of the truck. Small stuff. It looks a lot better. There's not pollen all over it like there was. And the purple actually looks, the purple looks beautiful. Just a few more things. I don't think I will be taking on the transmission replacement on the Tahoe myself. There was a shop that quoted me $1,300 to just, it'll be a used transmission, but 260,000 miles. Throw it in there, get it to last a little while. We do have some pretty good plans for this truck in the future. So, but if you guys did like the Tahoe, there's going to be a lot of stuff in the future with this as well. Obviously, Power Stroke isn't going anywhere. There's still a lot more to be done with that. But we got some big plans. Once the motor goes, we got a couple different ideas of what to do. And that'll be fun. I'll let you guys let that brew up in your imagination. But that pretty much wraps up this week's video. Again, super short. I'm sorry. I hope you guys aren't too disappointed in having not a lot of content, but I wanted to bring you guys something as always and to stay connected with you guys because it's super important to me. So with all that being said, I really appreciate you guys watching the video, and even though it's nothing to do with the truck, I really appreciate you guys just watching. So thank you all. I really do hope you enjoyed it. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, powerstoked_YT. It'll be down in the description below. Grab some merch, and yeah, I will see you guys next week.